4 days until my Disney Workcation panic mode activated. But before I tell you why I'm panicked, let me introduce myself since I so rudely did not do that yesterday. Hi there, my name is Dana with Mayfly Vacations. I have a 40-hour-a-week full-time job, but the prices for flights and hotels aligned perfectly to take a last-minute trip to Disney. The calendar and I had to have a fight. I still won in the end, so I'm going to optimize some use of the weekends and also take advantage of some half-day workation situations. But why am I in panic mode? It is because the chance of rain has increased on my park day. The range of temperatures are going to be between 66 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That sounds like typical Florida in December. However, that is a big challenge whenever you are dealing with having to use a personal item only on Spirit Airlines and you have a 5-day trip ahead of you. If you like Disney parking, planning, eating, etc., then definitely follow along as I get prepared to go on this 5-day, 4-night trip. See you tomorrow.